Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So I finished my work and just want to do some lazy cooking. So you can see here I have some chicken pate wings, and I will clean it up, rinse, 3 bags. And boil it. Okay, I will do the cleaning there. Okay, nothing fancy. Put it. Turn on the fire stronger. Okay, now I will put this in. Oh. And we put cover it with water. So that is sufficient. And for the spice, we have some spice that we have hard time to finish. We bought from a big Costco store. So I will put a big spoonful of it. Oh, that's too much. Okay, I think this is 1.5 spoonful of it. And then we cover it up and let the flavor set in, and then we will reduce it. It will take 5 to 10 minutes until it is boiling, and then we will stop fire or put in slow fire to simmer for another 10 to 20 minutes. I will let you know. Now we cover it up. Nothing for us to do, just wait. You can put some other spice if you have, and you can just use this opportunity to get rid of the spice that you do not want to keep at home. I personally like to have no spice, salt and pepper. And I do not like to use a lot of spice because it's just too complicated. And sometimes you bought too many spice and too much condiments, finish them. That's it. Let's wait until it is boiling. Okay, 10 minutes later it is boiling. Now we turn the fire slow. And we just simmer, just simmer it for 10 to 20 minutes. I am too lazy to put salt, pepper, any other things. And One of these will take care of everything. See you in 10 minutes. Okay. Hello, dear friends. So this is 20 minutes later. I turn on the fire and put some small onion, spring onion. Half of it now, half of it. Turn the fire on. Use relatively stronger fire and put the chicken in. We can put something sour, so I will put some caper. Some caper. And some cooking wine. And some chili pepper sauce. And let it simmer. You can put some of the leftover sauce. Some chili pepper sauce, chirasa sauce, soya sauce, ketchup sauce to clean it up. Anything of your choice. I do not even need to touch it, just to close it up for another 10, 20, 30 minutes. See you later, alligator. Okay, hello dear friends. So this is how it looks now. I'm sorry for the background noise. And that is it. The bone is all turning off very easily. And I put some ketchup, the package ketchup from fast food, and we are done. Turn off the fire. And now there is no fire. We just let the flavor get into it, and the vegetable, the flavor get into it. No extra oil, no cooking oil, no other things. Everything from the chicken itself. That is it. Bon appetito.